Here are 10 unknown apps which are made by Google which you should be using today. Make sure you watch the last one because that will be the most helpful to you in your life. Okay? Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Kaushal and you're watching TechWhoop. So today we are going to talk about 10 amazing apps which are made by Google that nobody knows, which is very surprising because they are made by Google. So let's quickly start with our list and I'll make sure that these apps make your life at least 7.42 times easier. Okay, so let's get started with the first one. So the first one is called Kormo Jobs. Yes, this is an app which is dedicatedly made by Google for people who are seeking jobs. The major competitors of would be Indeed or Naukri.com and all of that, but this app is made by Google and it actually makes the job hunting process a lot more simpler. Not only that you can find different and new jobs from top companies, but it is also possible to schedule interviews with them efficiently. So if you're looking for a job, this is the app you should go for.
Oh my god! Wow!
The next app in my list is called Google My Maps. Not Google Maps, Google My Maps. Okay. So basically this is just like Google Maps, but over here you can label each and every location as per your own convenience. So suppose if you want to put your friend's address, then suppose let's say my friend's name is Rohit. So I'll just select his location on the map and I'll put the name as Rohit's home. So the next time when I'm searching on Google, I can just say, okay Google, directions towards Rohit's home or something like that. And it will actually open Google My Maps and start the navigation. So this is much more simpler if you want to use Google Maps, but as a customized experience. You can literally name each and everything on your own. Yes. The next app, I think Google is promoting this a lot. It's called YouTube Music, as you saw in the title card. But a lot of people don't use this and I don't know why. So a lot of people use YouTube for listening to music, but they don't use this dedicated app. So what happens is that generally when you listen to music on YouTube, if you turn off your screen, then the music will stop. But if you use this app, then even if after you turn off your screen, the music will not stop and you can actually listen to music in better quality and without any ads or like any interruptions as it happens on the YouTube video app. Next app on my list is called Google Find My Device. And as the app suggests, it helps you find your device if it's lost. So if you keep losing your phone very frequently, or even if you just want to keep it as a safety measure, this is the app you should keep. You can actually remotely lock your device so that even if your phone is misplaced, nobody else can unlock it or like get access to it. So this app is, I feel, one of the best apps that Google has made till now. Basically, it lets you scan your old photos, all the old photos, your memories which you actually had printed in your albums. You can actually take all of them digital and they appear as if they are taken directly from your phone. Yes, this app basically enhances the quality to another level. So definitely give this app a try and make sure you convert all your old memories into digital ones. Socratic by Google is an app which is a must for each and every student or college student or anyone who is studying right now. Because with this app, no matter what question you are at, no matter what you are stuck at, you can directly put it on this app and its AI feature would actually find the answer for you and give it to you. So use this app and you don't have to call your friends or like the class topper whenever you have any doubts. This app will be your class topper for you. So whenever you look at a particular scenery or a particular thing lying inside your house, have you ever wondered that I wonder how big this particular object is or like how big my table is? Have you ever wondered that? Well, neither have I. But in case if you're ever wondering or if you are wondering now, then you can use this app and find exact dimensions of your particular object in your house. Yes, using this measure app, you just have to point your phone towards that object and it will measure the distance of it. Pretty handy just to satisfy your curiosity maybe. Now, as I said in the starting of this video, the last one and the best one is for each and everyone right now. coding is the next best thing right now. And if you want to learn coding, use this app called Grasshopper. Grasshopper gives you very intricate, detailed games and like very user-friendly experience through which you can learn coding very, very easily. No matter if you're a child or you're a grown-up, if you want to start learning coding, this is the app you should start with. So that's all for my video, guys. This was a video on top 10 amazing apps which are made by Google that you did not know. Now let me know in the comments which one was your favorite, and smash that dislike button if you did not like this video, and in case if you actually liked it, you know what to do. So thank you guys for watching. My name's Kaushal. Peace out.